It's Margarita, and today we are talking about the newest release from the house of Burberry, her Elixir de Parfum. Yes, another find at Macy's, of course, right? Spend a lot of time there. I'm surprised I don't have my picture on the wall when you first walk into the stores. But anywho, Burberry Her. This is probably the best designer fragrance I have ever smelled. It is better than Baccarat Rouge 540 in my opinion. I know y'all don't come for me in the comments because I know how that's a cult favorite. I don't quite care for that one too much. I like the sweeter version of this, the strawberry note that this one has that Baccarat doesn't seem to have. And now they have a new one, the Elixir. Now, I opened it. I know this is an unboxing, but I opened it because I could not wait to smell this because I love Burberry Her. Now, what I love about this is the beautiful blush pink bottle. It's so feminine. It's so pretty. It looks like a flask. Anybody else think this looks like a flask? Like if you're carrying this around, people might think you're drinking on the job instead of just refreshing your fragrance. But anywho, this smells so good. In fact, I'm going to spray it on now to remind myself of how good it smells. And while this is drying down, let's read the notes. Strawberry, blackberry, jasmine, vanilla, amber, and sandalwood. Now, all of these notes, with the exception of one, and y'all know if you watch this channel, the one, my no-no note, which is jasmine, that seems to be in the heart of this fragrance. It was my hope that it would be crowded out by all the wonderful fresh, fruity, and woody notes, and luckily it was. I do not pick up any of that salty jasmine at all. In fact, this is a juicy, it's weird, it's juicy and powdery at the same time, and I love it because I'm not a fan of powdery, but that juiciness really shines through. Oh my goodness, this is probably one of the best fragrances I've smelled all year. There's only been a few that I've liked, and I've smelled quite a few this year, but this one is just another win for me. I am so happy that I tried this one. I do not own any of the other Burberrys. I do have a small decant left of Her, but I do like this one better than the original, and I think it's because it's very sweet, but it's not as sweet as the original. And this one is a little bit more subdued. It projects, but it doesn't just yell. And see, I can't stop smelling my hand, right? It's a little bit more grown up. It's a little bit more mature. This is not one I would say for children. And maybe it is the jasmine that makes it more mature because everything else is just a very, very fruity and fun. The sandalwood, and my body chemistry loves sandalwood. I have no complaints about this at all. Get on down to Macy's. This video is not sponsored, but I'm all about telling y'all about good things when I find them. And this, oh goodness, I am so happy that I found Burberry Elixir. I've smelled the other flankers, wasn't too impressed with any of the other ones. The only ones I like were the original and this one takes the place of the original. So when I run out of my decant of the original, I don't believe I'll repurchase it. But this one, absolutely yummy. I love it, love it, love it. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Burberry flanker? Or do you like the original Her the best? You see how I can't stop smelling this, right? I can't even get through this video because it smells so good. I am so happy. It is so rare that I am happy when I blind buy a fragrance. But anywho, until next time, I am Margarita and you have an awesome day. Bye.